Whistles for me, whistles.
Oh, yay!
Gantena Ramu.
Because it was sync sound, dude.
Exactly right.
BRAKKAPP బ్రేకప్ నీకు నాకు అయిపోయింది.
What match fixing did you do?
Nothing.
Samir? How did that happen?
I was myself stunned.
నేను చెప్పినట్టు విను.
They heard that
కొడితే
pachak.
రీసౌండ్ వచ్చింది. నాకు ఇట్లా నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు 2 నిమిషాలు. సంజయ్
నీలాంటి అమ్మాయిల వల్లే మనకి చెడ్డ పేరు వస్తుంది.
Tarun, yeah, how did this happen? Usually, it's Pelli Choopulu, E Nagaranki, then this whole genre shift.
Yeah.
Where did that inspiration come from?
No, so that's what even, we've been discussing a couple of things and all that also. So I consciously wanted to change the genre, ఎందుకంటే I didn't want to focus. I really wanted to, because it's starting off my career, I wanted to do as many experiments as possible. To wait and see if we can get better at different things. So for me, my main thing was to just break away from comedy and explore dark humor and also probably something more serious and see where it leads me. Otherwise, I knew I'll put myself in a box and say only rom-coms or comedy or this thing, and that'll really, really tire me later, I felt. So if not OTTs, where else? So I thought this was a great ground for experiment.
Right. So was it challenging? Did you have to write differently for OTT? Is it different from writing for like the big screen?
Yeah, it's 100%. I mean, it's very different because for a 2-hour film, we have these formats, right? So we were also talking about it, and
Interval bang
and second half and all that happens. But suddenly when there's a 30-minute thing, what can you talk about? These are conversations that we have when every time we're having coffee, we're chatting with friends, and we talk about something that happened some time back. And sometimes those stories are only 20 minutes, 30 minutes or whatever.
And you feel creatively you have a lot more freedom of expression here?
Yeah, I think so. And also I think for me, always it's been challenging.
Lakshmi, you feel it's the same for actors? We can, sort of experiment and do stuff on OTT that we can't do on film?
Definitely, I think. So it was not that especially this script had any of those elements that we couldn't not have done in a regular theatrical film, but just that feeling, I can be whatever. There is no box, no boundaries.
So that's one thing I also wanted to ask actors also, Che, but what would actors have, as in, would you be insecure to come on to a 15-minute thing? Let's say that tomorrow YouTube or whatever another platform is there. How would you guys take a call? And now that you guys are used to being on that large screen, what goes on in your mind?
No, so see, I always want to try different things. There's so many things in my mind that I want to express, but I'm always scared on screen because we're so used to this format. And there's so many permutations and combinations to it. Will it work out or not work out? But, just like how you said, there's so much more creative freedom when you don't have those rules.
Right.
And that's what you're doing right now. So I'm definitely curious, and I think I definitely want to attempt that too.
Nice.
Somewhere we need to start balancing it out.
Yeah.
So how did the Telangana accent go in the beginning? I mean, I saw you on screen and the look and the Telangana accent was like too good. It blew my mind.
Oh, thank you.
How did that work?
I think 100% credit goes to Lata for my look, because we did 2 or 3 test shoots and she wanted me to look older. The sunglasses were which kind of sunglasses, what kind of jewelry, where to put my bindi. I had Pasipu here, like every little thing was minutely she took care of it thoroughly.
Right.
And the accent, I had Sanjay in my ear because it was sync sound, dude.
Exactly right.
I was like dubbing lo cheppukunta lady dubbing.
Like no. So Sanvi, like looking at you now to what I watched yesterday, what a transformation! Like awesome. How did this journey happen?
Oh, it was beautiful. I think to me, all I could say is it's just right time, right place, and right person. Right.
What match fixing did you do,
Nothing.
Sami? How did that happen?
I was myself stunned when he called me back.
She wasn't believing it. She
I was
like,
no. I believed it on the first day of shoot that I am in this film.
And coming
she
to
actually
Abe.
beat him. She actually beat him
Really?
properly.
Yeah, it was real.
Because the sound guys were like, we want the sound of the slipper. So Abhay
Oh
faced.
God.
అసలు థియేటర్ లో అసలు
Theatre, no, I think they
చెంప మీద
heard
ఇట్లా
that
కొడితే
pachak.
రీసౌండ్ వచ్చింది. నాకు ఇట్లా నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు 2 నిమిషాలు. సంజయ్
So Abe, ain't first Tarun వద్దనుకున్నాడంట, like he didn't want to cast you in this film, and then you only gave an audition.
పెళ్లి చూపుల తర్వాత ఈ నగరానికి ఏమైందికి వెళ్ళాను నేను. సో నేను ఫ్రెషర్స్ తో వెళ్తున్నా అన్నాడు. సరే ఓకే వెళ్ళని అనుకున్నా. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ దీనికి ఫ్రెషర్స్ వెళ్తా అంటే నేను చెయ్యనా, నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ నన్ను ఆడిషన్ చేయి, ఎందుకు ఊకే ఫ్రెషర్స్ అంటావు, నేను కూడా ఫ్రెషరే, నాకు ఆడిషన్ చేసి తర్వాత నేను సూట్ కాలేదని చెప్పు, దెన్ సరే నాకు చేయనీకి రావట్లేదురా అనుకుంటా అని చెప్పి నేను ఫోర్స్ చేస్తే మనోడు తనది బుల్లెట్ బైక్ ఇచ్చింది సార్. అది థియేటర్ దగ్గర సీన్ది, ఇది ఆడిషన్ చేయను అంటే చేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ హి సెడ్ యా ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ విత్ యూ అని.
So Lakshmi, how did you prep? I mean, your character is quite complex. There's this gray shade to it also. Any reference?
Oh,
I mean,
of course, there's some evil people out there, dude. I never really approached Swarupaka as a woman doing this, as somebody who wants to get through in life, and then there are these people coming her way. So now for her, it is men, you know, and really channeling that, and it was so freeing for me. Because the subtext, I mean, it's not what I said. It's very few words that I said.
Correct.
But what I was brewing inside was just unbelievable.
That came out like that.
Yeah.
Because the lines are very few actually,
Yeah.
like what you were just saying. You speak very less, but the actions, you know, the small gestures
Small
you
gestures.
do come across so well. But coming back to what she said, I mean, the film just left me thinking about that. How we get caught up in someone else's agenda for you know, no fault of ours, and how life just goes off on a circle from there. I think you addressed that really well, Tarun. And I'm so happy that it's on this platform that's it's going to get great exposure, your content. People from all over the world are going to watch it, and that's what I'm really happy about. You know, you guys made this, and it's coming out when?
Feb 19th.
Feb 19th.
Feb 19th. Awesome. Can't wait for everyone to watch it. You guys were awesome.
Thank you, Che. Thank you so much.
Che.